This is a 1987 Alfa Romeo Spider. It came in 3 different trim levels. The basic trim level was the Graduate, and the middle level was the Veloce, which this is, and then there was the Quadrifoglio, which had standard air conditioning. This is in beautiful condition. Nice dashboard. There's the manual transmission. Looks like very nice, comfortable seating there. Paint is in very good shape. The engine is a 4-cylinder, 120 cubic inch displacement, and the sticker price was $16,995. The Graduate sold for $3,000 less, so that was the bargain. Of course, the Graduate was made famous by the motion picture The Graduate with Dustin Hoffman. Neat little car.